Welcome to my series of I Can Feed You Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner for 20 bucks. And today we are making sushi. And not just any sushi, we're doing a carrot tuna with a broccoli rice and whatever else I can throw in there. So let's get started. So before we get started, let me just go ahead and tell you what we're gonna need. We're gonna need carrots, we're gonna need broccoli, we're gonna need avocado, we're gonna need peppers, and we're going to need green leaf lettuce because that sort of keeps the moisture away from the vegetables and the seaweed, because the seaweed is really delicate. And we're going to have cucumbers and red onions. So I'm about to get ready and grate these, and yeah, let me wash them off first. So I'm super excited because this is the first time that I've ever tried furikake, and I've been seeing everyone using this whenever they are doing their tuna and things of that nature. And furikake is a Japanese multi-purpose seasoning that is made of seaweed. So that's where we're going to get the fishy taste from. And that's not how you do it. That's not hypergenic, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to sprinkle that a little bit into that. Ooh, that looks good. And the thing about it, whenever you are making the tuna, you just basically just substitute the tuna aspect of it, because you can do it with chickpeas and you can do it with carrots. And this is the first time that I'm trying it with carrots, so I'm really excited about how this is going to come out. I put salt, I put pepper, a little obey. I put a little toasted sesame oil in it. Oh, I just love the way this smells. Put a little bit of that in there. We're gonna throw a little garlic. And you can tell that I just go with a filling. I don't really go with different measurements. And I feel like it just comes out better that way. All right, so I got celery here. I'm about to chop this up. Now that the tuna is done, we have to make the broccoli rice. And the way that you get the broccoli to stick together, you add avocado.